In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the header on Squarespace. Adjusting the header of your website can significantly impact how visitors perceive your site, making it essential to get it just right. Whether you're aiming for a sleek minimalism or want to showcase your brand's logo prominently, Squarespace offers a straightforward way to customize your header to fit your needs. First things first, let's navigate to the Squarespace website. Here you'll be prompted to log into your account. For a seamless experience, I recommend clicking on Continue with Google to log in using your Google account. This method is not only quicker but also adds an extra layer of security to your login process. Once you've selected your Google account, you're officially logged into Squarespace. Now the journey to customizing your website begins. Your first stop is your Squarespace dashboard. You can access your website by following the direct link to your Squarespace account. On your dashboard, you'll see a list of options, but what you're looking for is the website you wish to edit. Click on the link that directs you to your website. Once you've arrived at your website's backend, look for the Edit option. Clicking on this will take you into the edit mode of your Squarespace site, where you can make various adjustments to your website's layout, content, and yes, the header too. Finding the header settings might feel a bit like looking for a needle in a haystack, but it's quite straightforward. Search for the Edit Site Header option. This is your gateway to customizing the header of your website. It's worth noting that the placement and design of your header can significantly affect your site's look and user navigation, so take your time to consider the changes you're about to make. Now let's talk specifics. Within the header edit options, you'll notice a blue resize icon on the right side. This little icon is more powerful than it looks. Click on it and you'll unlock the ability to resize your header. By clicking and dragging this icon up or down, you control the height of your header. It's as simple as it sounds, but the impact is far-reaching. Adjusting the size can help accommodate a larger logo, make room for additional navigation links, or simply alter the aesthetic of your site's top section to better suit your design vision. After you've achieved the perfect header height, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save option and click on it. This step is crucial as it ensures all your hard work doesn't go to waste. Once saved, your new header settings will be live for all your visitors to see. In conclusion, by following these steps, you can easily adjust the header of your Squarespace site to better reflect your style, brand, or the overall vibe of your website. Squarespace's user-friendly interface makes this process hassle-free, but the impact of these changes can be profound. So, take your time, experiment with different looks, and when you find the one that just clicks, remember to hit save. And there you have it, a simple guide to adjusting your Squarespace header. Whether you're redesigning your website or just fine-tuning details, remember that these small changes can significantly enhance the user experience on your site. Happy editing!